Elite masterminds, deal surgeons. What's going on? This is Anthony. So, yeah, so I'm already in this trade. I got a micro lot going on, and I hold on right quick. I just got a text. All right, so we're looking for hidden divergence and divergence. Now, as you can see, I'm down in this trade right now, but it's going up, and I'll explain why. So, I'm looking for hidden divergence right now, and so this is something that I kind of struggled with. Um, but now it's real simple to find it. So right now we're going to stream out on the daily, on the monthly. The lights just cut off. Oh Lord. So we're on the monthly right now. Um, Let me pull up my trading chart. Hold on. All right, so we're looking for hidden divergence. Basically, hidden divergence is I don't know if you can see me, but where I'm at, the lights cut off. If nobody's around, let me see if I stand up. Cut back on. Oh, there we go. All right, so we're gonna start off with the monthly, and so we're looking for hidden divergence. Basically, that's a continuation of the trend, and hold on. So I have a chart that shows me which one is divergence, which one is hidden divergence. So let's look for it. So see right here. Uh, I'm not looking for divergence. I'm looking for hidden divergence and divergence as well. I guess I could look for that as well. And I'll explain what it is and how it works. So just let me work real quick. Hold on. Okay, so right here looks like regular divergence. Hold on. Yeah, we have a lower high, and then we have a higher high. So this is bearish divergence, and then that's why we seen a drop right here. This is the monthly. I need to go down to a lower time frame. Let me go down to the weekly. But a lot of people can look at regular divergence, but the hidden divergence slight is slightly more tricky. So that's what we're searching for, continuation of the trend. So if you're down in a trade like I am right now, you're not tripping because you understand the overall what's going on. Because if I can spot hidden divergence, and which is a continuation of the uptrend, then what am I worried about being down right now on this micro lot? That makes sense. So now we're on a weekly, and hold on. Yeah. All right. So looking for divergence, hidden divergence. The divergence I want to see is upward movement, but it may not show that. But because right now we're at a main level of resistance, and I should have saw this earlier. I just kind of jumped in because the overall trend is still up. But right here, we're at a major resistance level. And where I got these zones from is based on this basin candle, something that I learned from a guy named DLE Trades. So seeing this rally right here, and then we had this red pullback candle here, which is an area of either demand or supply. I get those two mixed up. I mean, but basically it's an area where we can draw a zone. And then I drew hold on, I need to delete this. I was like, well, this does look kind of funny. Yeah, this one right here I need to delete. So this zone right here, I drew another one based on this. We had a drop right here, and on a drop we had two supply or demand zones, whichever one you call it, and so they were right next to each other. So when we draw the zone for this is when we have a drop or a rally, we draw from the bottom to the top of the wick, and this one was the bottom to the top of the wick as well. So that's why I have this area right here, and then this overlaps the red candle. So that's what this zone is. So right now, price is in this rejection zone, and that's why I'm temporarily down right now. If I should have just took a sale, but it is fine. So the overall trend is an uptrend. This is the 50. I mean, this is the the overall trend is actually down. This is a 200 and a 50. Look like it's trying to close into an uptrend. But these two, this is the 8 and a 34 EMA. So it's uptrend. So right here, we're at a rejection zone. So that's why it's rejecting, trying to push down based on those two basin candles I just showed. Yeah. So let me go back to the weekly so we can find divergence, which is the whole point of this recording. So I'm hoping to see, based on what I'm seeing, I should see a continuation of divergence, which is hidden divergence. Let me delete these other two windows I have up. It's kind of slowing me down. How is this? All right. So now we're on the weekly, looking for divergence, hidden divergence. I want to see divergence, regular divergence of bullish movement, and then I want to see hidden divergence of continuation. So let me turn off. Well, I'll leave it on. So now we're on the weekly. Now, this is higher than this. So this is actually a hidden divergence of bearish divergence. So yeah, so the overall trend is still down because this is hidden divergence right here. This is down and this is up. So let me note that. So I have a separate phone here with notes that I'm taking. So hold on. I just fully got hidden divergence. It was kind of like tripping me out a little bit at first because I was losing a few trades because I thought it was divergence, but it was actually hidden divergence, and it was kind of confusing me. But now I got it down. So let me write this down. We have bearish hidden divergence. We have bearish hidden divergence from June 15 to current. Well, no, from June 15 to uh, yeah, that's why I believe we seen this drop right here. You see guys drop down right there. So from June 15 to March 21. Just something to note right there. That's that hidden divergence. So basically, um, the trend is down, even though we pushing up temporarily. Uh, look like we're in a double bottom right here, a double top. But so let me see if I see any other divergence. Hold on. Actually, I have this. I don't know if this is going to show well on this camera, but this is what I'm using right here. So it's showing me regular divergence and hidden divergence, which is great that I have this. I found it on a program I purchased recently. Okay, so right here. All right, so we have some divergence right here as well. So price is it's on a lower low. And so this is regular divergence, of bullish divergence. So pricing up, pushing up, that makes sense. And right here we have a higher high. Yeah, so we have a higher high and a lower high down here, which is bearish divergence and pricing up, pushing down. Okay. Yep, pricing up, pushing down. So all right, so let me go down to the daily. All right, so we got some divergence here as well. We got a lower high on the RSI. So lower high and a higher high. So this is regular bearish divergence. So now that's kind of let me make it a little sooner than that. Try to find something more recent. All right, so here, so we got a higher We got a higher high, and then we have a lower high on the RSI. So hold on, higher high. Yeah, whatever questions you have, just put it in the chat and I'll answer it. But I'll email everybody this, the people that's on the forum. I'll send it to you in the Telegram. But hold on, let me concentrate on this. All right, so all right, okay, so we got a higher high and a lower high, so that's regular bearish divergence. Um, right here, this is. Let me look at the bottom. All right, so let me zoom in. Uh, Greg, yeah, Greg says it's hitting. Yeah, it's hitting, man. I'll send you if you just look at this picture that I'll post in the Telegram group, and you'll see it'll explain everything. Yeah. All right. So, and you want to spot it on a higher time frame is the way I've been taught to do it. The higher the time frame, you spot it on, the more strength, the stronger the signal is. All right. So let's take a look at. Hold on. Okay. Well, I'm still looking. I don't see that much. I don't really see anything so far. You can look at the candles or you can look at a line graph, Susan, to do it. Because sometimes I used to use a line graph, but the mentor I have, all she do is use this candle. So I just started using that. What states are you guys in? I'm in Los Angeles. What state? Put your state that you're in the chat. All right. So let me get back to this. I don't see anything. I don't see anything on here. So let me go down to H4. Okay. Oh, you was up watching that? Yeah, man. I was up late last night. I was because the one that I'm on right now is GJ, and it's a lot of volume after midnight my time. So, all right, I might see something here. I'm on H4 right now. I'm hoping to see bearish hitting bullish divergence. That's what I really want to see. But uh, oh gosh, all right. So yeah, basically, Susan, she says, "What am I looking for?" I'm basically looking at price should match this. This is the RSI right here. Price should be matching this RSI perfectly. If not, you can see things happen before it actually happens. So, all right. So right here, check this out. No, okay. Look at this right here. Let's see what this is right here. This is some divergence right here. You see the high right here is lower. This is lower and this is higher. So, oh Lord, this is bearish hitting divergence. So, damn. Oh man, that means price about to drop. And uh, yeah, it's not what I want to see. But you got to trade what you see, not what you think. Let me see if I have this marked up already. No, I don't. Let me mark this up. So um, the arrows I use for the hidden divergence is this right here. I use the choppy lines for this to show hidden divergence. Um, this is not what I want to see, but this is something to note right here. I need to put this in my notes. Let me put this in my notes real quick on my other phone. Hold on. I mean, I guess I don't mind seeing it, but I'm actually in this trade right now. So I mean, but this is hidden divergence. I mean, that shit. I mean, this is hidden divergence of hidden bearish divergence. So basically, the price is still going to be shooting down. So let me put this here. Greg. Yeah, I'm in Los Angeles, Greg. Yeah. Yeah, so let me write this in my notes. Hold on. So on the divergence for H4, I mean, we got hidden divergence of downward movement. And it's kind of scary because uh, let me write this down. Hold on. So if you look at this, you guys can see people that's looking at the screen right now. Um, let me try to zoom in because so if you look at this, this is hitting bearish divergence and price is shooting up. So we haven't seen any downward movement. And another thing I've been taught is that if it's coming out of if it's coming into the overbought zone here, it's a strong divergence. So I'm actually just going to get out of this as soon as I get in a little bit of profit and just get out because it's going to be a huge drop. So this is a continuation of the overall trend, this bearish divergence. So uh, I didn't want to see that, but you got to trade what you see, not what you think. All right, let me see if I see anything else on H4. Well, I had this marked up already. I think this is regular. See, my regular divergence is uh, these solid lines right here. Hold on. Oh, well, this ended up correcting. You see, because the arrow was pointed down. and now it's pointed up, so I can delete this. This ended up correcting itself. So let's see if we see anything else. I really want to see a continuation pattern. I really want to see bearish divergence, but I mean not bullish divergence, but I don't see anything just yet. See lower low. Yeah. Oh, this is matching up with the RSI. Let me zoom in. Yeah. Let's go down to H1. It's probably better for me to go down to the lower time frames to really see it. So, all right. So we got Las Vegas, Florida, Georgia. Okay. You guys from people in the chat putting where they from. Okay. So you guys doing for New Year's? Put it in the chat. All right. So now we're on the daily. Hold on. No, I was on H1 at first. I got to go down to H1. Sorry. Okay. And then I can kind of talk about the trade that I'm currently in as well, since we on a lower time frame. So this is what I did right here. This is my this red line is for the daily. I already exited this trade already because this is my first. I set this up into quarters. So these lines right here is all 25%, 25%. So this is the, I guess you could say TP4. Already at TP1, which is right here. It was I saw it right here and then it just pushed up. So right now it's about to go down here. It's about to loop down like it did here. I could put a ghost pattern on this and then loop back up and take me out of the trade here. I may actually move this take profit down slightly. And so I expect it to come up here, but so I had this set up all the way up here, but then I set it up into quarters. I was like, let me just get 25%, get out 25%, because it could push all the way back down since we've been seeing hitting bearish divergence. And another thing that I learned is that you see when I zoom out on H1, you see how it's just spiking up in the air like that, like it's going straight up, basically almost a straight line. It's easily to break when it's doing that. That's not normal. It's supposed to go ebb and flow, up and down, up and down. So anyway, let me get back to looking for divergence. All right, let me check the chat. Joe. No, I'm not a teacher or anything, man. I'm just doing analysis. I mean, that's it. People hop in, hop out, whatever. So let me get back to this. So now we're starting to see something. I'm starting to see something. So hold on. Yeah, we're starting to see something. So let me zoom into this area here. And as you can see, I was down. Now the numbers are starting to get lower and lower because it's going higher. But I'm looking for hitting bullish divergence. So let's see what we have. Um, all right. These highs. what is this here? All right, so you see this high right here was lower than this high, but this is higher. So hold on, it's not adding up though. See, that's why I sent you guys the picture in the chat, because sometimes it can confuse you. It's not adding up because let me see, make sure I'm looking at this right. Regular bearish divergence. Oh yeah, this is right because it pushed down. All right, so all right, I see something here. All right, so I think this is what I was looking for. This is hidden bearish divergence right here, because if you guys click on that link that I put in the chat, in a Telegram link, you'll see the picture. So right here we got a lower low, and on actual price, it's a higher low. Yeah, so this is continuation. So let me mark this up. So basically, the way I've been taught to do this, hold on, quick. Jamie said, "Oh yeah, I just started. I started like training. I was on demo I started doing demo. Um, I think I've been on demo since August, and then I got a live account maybe 2 months ago. To answer your question, Jane, in the chat. All right, so let me mark this up. I forgot where I was at. All right, boom. So here's hidden divergence, bullish divergence, which is what this is a continuation pattern. This was confusing me at first, but I got it down now. Because I could easily find regular divergence, but the hidden divergence is what threw me off for a little while. All right, so let me mark this up. All right, so now I'm about to pull this down. So this separated line right here, this is you can use whatever you want. This is what I use for the hidden divergence, so I can know what's going on when I'm at like a lower time frame, or when I get back on here. All right, so this is good news. If you're already in a trade, and I'll be honest with you, like, you can read the books and do all that kind of stuff, but when you actually get in the trade, and you at risk of losing money, I think you're gonna learn more. I learned more like by doing that than like reading all these books and like never actually, entering the trade. But you can do whatever you want. So let me zoom back out. So if you see these purple lines right here, this is my these purple lines right here. This is my this is the monthly zone right here. So price is actually in the zone right here, and it broke out slightly. This is a strong zone. So that's why price pretty much hiked all the way up, because it had to push hard. to get through this zone because this is a monthly zone. Um, you see, it was easing right here, just pushing on down like price normally do. But then when it tried to push up, it had to push pretty hard. So, all right, let me get back to the divergence, the topic of this video. So, we found a continuation pattern right here, and let me see if I see anything else. Cause see, look right here. In the past, I would see something like this, and I'm like, oh, it's about to go down, and I would try to take a sell, and then price would just go against me because this is different from. It's gonna push down. That's why I'm setting my take profits like lower, because it's at a point right now I could pretty much do anything. Um, so that's why I was messing up at. But so we found a hidden divergence right here. Let me see if I can find another one. I'll probably go all. Somebody asked a question. Darren, yeah, man, you may be more experienced than me, man. I just shoot these videos sometimes, and I go live and put people in the Telegram for the chat. It's a more experienced person telling me something I was doing wrong. I'm like, I'm not a teacher, dude. I'm just recording, and whoever hop on, they hop on. I mean, anyway. So let me see if I see anything else. Yeah, this hidden divergence. This is like a game changer, you know. Um, so right here again. All right, quick. Somebody just text me. Fucking spam. Texting me about some bullshit. All right, sorry for my French. All right, so right here we see the indicator is down, but price is up again. So if you guys go back to the picture I sent in the Telegram chat, actually, we're gonna finish this, and then I'll show you guys a little something else that I kind of found out recently, and then I have to kind of get back to some other stuff I got to do. But this is exciting, seeing the bullish divergence. If you're in the trade, of course, because I'm long on this right here. All right, so okay, so the indicator is down. We have a lower low. In price, we have a higher high. So this is hidden bullish divergence again. So this is just showing you that price is going to continue to push up or down depending on. Uh, oh no, hold on. Lower low. Oh, hold on. I looked at that wrong. Oh god. Okay, so this is bullish. This is regular bullish divergence. Damn, this is a. No, hold on. Lower low, lower high, higher low, lower low. Hold on, I was getting confused. Okay, so this is what was confusing me. This point right here, but we're gonna go off of the most recent point, which is right here. Um, yeah. So this is hidden divergence. So let me mark this up. Somebody said, "Why am I marking up charts while I'm at work?" Actually, I don't have a job, Daniel, and I'm at a space. I'm at something called Spaces, like we work. So that was funny though. All right, so all right, so this is bullish divergence here. The indicator is lower. It's a lower, like you see in the picture. It's a lower low. So this is a continuation pattern. So um, all right, so let's see what we got here. We got some conflicting signal right here. So we have a lower low, a lower high. The price is higher. So this is yeah, this is okay. So this is regular bearish divergence. Um, yeah, so it's about to be a drop. Um, actually, it's gonna be a somewhat of a big drop because price is in the overbought territory. I don't want to see that, but trade what you see, not what you think. All right, so let me mark this up. Uh, Jerry, yeah, you can go on YouTube. The person who's, I'm in her, I follow some of her videos and stuff. Her name is Jessica Lane. Yeah. All right, so how much longer is the video? Probably another 10 minutes and then I'll end the video. I'm just showing uh, divergence because people was confused about it. So, and I sent you guys a picture in the Telegram chat. So, so it'll be like another 10 minutes in there because I have to do some other stuff. I'm just checking on this. But this is something I got to be aware of. Well, maybe this, you see, well, maybe this already happened because you see price shot down. So this move, this divergence probably already happened, um, which kind of makes sense because you see it right here. But the overall trend is still bullish. And look at the moving averages. I have the 50 here, and I have the 50 and the 200. So it's still up. So so I'll go down to the 30-minute and then the 15-minute, and then I'll end the video. All right. I think what I may do is just take profit when this one closes, and I may just stop because it looked like it's about to be a big drop from what I'm seeing. Because you look at the RSI and you look at this price is just it has to correct, and it's kind of channeling right here. So all right, hold on right quick. All right, so Yeah, everything is matching up except right here. You guys can see at the top. Uh, look like it's probably going to be a drop. If we do drop, it's probably going to drop down to this daily zone right here, or it may come back down to the monthly level. It actually may break this daily trend line, but this is something that I don't want to see. But I mean, because I'm already in the trade going long, but it looks like it's about to drop. Um, but it may have already dropped if you see right here on the RSI. Um, but let's see right here, down, up. Yeah, this is still bullish, hitting bullish divergence right here. So, but the most recent, where we at most recently, is lining up with the RSI. So, yeah, man, I see what Ralph saying. It's confusing. Yeah, it was confusing at first, man. Like, it could be really confusing, but you got to be on this shit every day. For real. Like, I've been on this shit every single day since June. No bullshit. You know, I still got a long way to go, but I do know some things now. All right, so let me go down to the 15-minute, then I'm gonna end the video. Appreciate you guys being in Telegram and watching this. All right, so let me just see. All right, so everything is lining up here. Let me zoom in since I'm on a 15-minute. Actually, when you go down to these lower time frames, it kind of don't count that much because it counts, but it's like you want to see it on a higher time frame. That's the way I've been taught to do it. But all right, so right here we have a little discrepancy here. The indicator is down. Yeah, see, well, yeah, the indicator was down, but this drop already happened. If you see right here, this is bearish divergence, but it already happened. So if we would have caught this trade, like right here, we would have got in for the sell. Um, all right, so appreciate you guys watching. I'm about to end the video. It's a continuation pattern. It's about to end, so uh, yeah, I'll probably just take profit where I can right here, and then get ready for the drop. Appreciate you guys watching. Happy New Year.